Slight left onto
Hi everyone!
Avenue.
Welcome to
In 5
Vlogmas!
turn right
Yo.
onto Lyon Avenue.
So, we're here na in Zambales, actually Subic Bay. It's the venue for the Dragon Boat competition. This Southeast Asian Games 2019, and I am very excited for the reason na I do play Dragon Boat along with my husband, and alam mo yun, yung feeling na manonood ka ng Dragon Boat competition ng Southeast Asian Games. So, nakakatawa. Ayan, malapit na kami and I can already see the dock site and naglo-load na yung mga contingent from other countries. I'll show you the clip later on, pero yeah, sana manala tayo. Laban Pilipinas!
Number 41, this is the finals, 4-seater women's. Once again, lane number 1 is Philippines, lane number 2 Indonesia, lane number 3 Myanmar, and lane number 4 Thailand. So once again, lane number 1 is the Philippines, lane number 2 Indonesia, lane number 3 Myanmar, and lane number 4 is Thailand. So this is race number 41, this is the final heat, PBR 4-seaters women's. Once again, lane number 1 is the Philippines, lane number 2 Indonesia, lane number 3 Myanmar, lane number 4 Thailand. And giving a moment is lane number 3, and that is the Myanmar, being followed by lane number 2 Indonesia. Alright, there we go, lane number 3 Myanmar, followed by lane number 2 Indonesia, followed by either lane number 4. Alright, there we go, we started race number 4. Lane number 1 Indonesia, lane number 2 Thailand, lane number 3 Philippines, lane number 4 Myanmar.
is such an experience. We're already tired since we had a long drive from Manila here to here in Subic. We're already hungry. I'm actually eating bibingka right now. Anyways, to Coach Ren, Johnny Go, and Duchess, along with the Philippine team on Canoe and Kayak Federation, congratulations po. Even though we didn't bag the gold medal today, congratulations. We end up... Coach Boyet. Di naman Coach Boyet. Even though we didn't end up bagging the gold medal, we had 2 bronze medals today from the 200 meters 4-seater women's and 22-seater 200 meters mix. So good job, guys. Yeah, tomorrow we'll be watching again for the other games that we'll be having, and I think that's for 500 meters and 1,000 meters. Same thing for the Dragon Boat competition. And nakaka-proud maging Pinoy. Nakaka-proud manood ng mga laro ng mga Pilipino atleta. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and do subscribe on my channel. Have a great evening. Bye!